So we're gonna look at the bird. Or the bird stand, I should say. Oops. Oh, nice. I used to have a parrot. Okay, so we're gonna put this in like this. And this like this. Like that. And we have the little swing, which we're gonna just put in here. Like so. Oh, that's so cute. And look, he actually swings. And let's see. I'm not sure where the little dish goes, but we can look this up and see. I want to make sure I put it in the right spot. Okay, so the dish just goes down here so he can reach his food. Now for the bird. Move this out of the way and put this here. Like that. My name is, oh, we get to name him. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love this bird. Look at him. Hello. Oh my goodness.